Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2015 Nissan Altima, and what I'm doing today, I am fixing the side skirt trim molding, also known as the rocker panel right here. She hit a bump and it seems like she lost a couple of screws and it looks like it's cracked. The only place that I see that is cracked is right there. And even though I'm not going to be able to do anything with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a screw here, and then you open the door, and you can see that it's all out. So inside, when you open the door, you're going to see the molding here, the trim is loose. And if you notice, it has clips here, and it has a couple of clips that are missing. You see that? So I bought a couple of clips, as you can see them over there, and my goal is, and my intention is to put the clips on, right? And also to put the screw in that side. You see that screw I have there? And hopefully this was whole. So the first thing I have to do is remove these right here, because the way these are put, you gotta put it in the molding first, as you can see. So I got my daughter to help me. So the first thing we're going to do is remove these clips that are broken. And all you're going to do is just put your screwdriver and just pry them out. There goes one. Once you take that off, it's better maybe to use a pair of pliers. I went and got a pair of pliers, these right here. And all you're going to do is just try to grab it and pull it. It seems like it's really stuck in there. So take your time, and hopefully you can maybe have the screwdriver to pull it out. And then there you go. All right. It's a little tough, but we got it. All right, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This one in the back is all the way back there. So if you see in here, right in here, put it in here, baby. Right in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the clips, and they go right in. And all you're gonna do is just get it in there and slide it. You take the other one, and all you're doing is sliding it. Over here, mama. Slide them in. Slide them all in. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, you see the holes right here? You see the holes? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line them up, line them all up. Gotta pick it up from this side first, from the back. Then we gotta come over here first, baby. Let's see if we can come over here. Come on. Let's pick this up first, baby, because I think that's what's giving us the problem. So we have to put this in there. Okay. All right, now that I picked it up. Okay, let's go to the other side. Go. Pick that up first. And now that it's picked up, and all you have to do now, make sure they're in the holes, and just start clicking them in. Push them in. There it goes. There it goes. See that? They went right in, and now it's holding. Just tap them in there. Now your molding is good. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put a screw on the other side, right here. Come on this side, baby. So we're gonna do is just put a screw right in here and get it in there the hole in there and just get a Phillips screwdriver. You're gonna need a little screwdriver, but that's what I have right now. So now, she's nice and tight. And there. There it goes. Let's see the bottom. Just look at the bottom, see what we got down there. All right. And that's brand new right there, baby. There it goes. So you see, compared to the way it was, all you have to do is put the clips in there and put a screw in there, and you can see you save yourself a couple of $100 there in the side skirt trim molding. So let's see how it looks again once inside. And you can see that it's all nice and in. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.